Welcome to Califa Creek TV. Greetings to you all. We're also welcome to Fact of the Issue. Uh, unsubscribe, we are subscribed, but remember your name. Subscribe. You enjoy it free. You just click on the bell button on your right hand side. Automatically, you are subscribed. Unsubscribe, baby. Share it. Like. After liking and sharing, get to the comment section box. Start typing anything that you want. Subscribe. Subscribe. Okay, so today I have so many things to talk about because the fact of the issues. I should have done this video yesterday, but yesterday I was very pissed off and very angry. And I come back from YouTube. So I just relaxed so I can do it today. So maybe I can say what I have to say. Because yesterday I was very angry. Fact of the issues, you can't say that you be free and famous will come. You can say change answer for. When the answer would draw and what you what you mean so I drew no way. So let's zero into what I have for you today. You know, fact fix the country. You see, we are sorry, not the fix. Hashtag fix. Not the person fix, not the rubbish. Face the country, face one money. And check will be crowd or be fear crowd because I fix the house. Um, yesterday, I'm Twitter, Sam. Yes, that's it. Yesterday's a friend of mine sent me a link on like he said I should go and follow him on Twitter. So yesterday when I went there and I typed the name he gave me, like a certain name came, so I was just scrolling down, and I found this picture there. Hashtag face our hostels and hey, yeah, munja ichi, echa munja ichi. We are not saying that they shouldn't fix the country or they shouldn't fix what is not right. But we also they are not fix what? Who can who can fix it? Have you fixed yourself? Who can fix it? Have you fixed yourself? Who do you mean what one who fix our hostel? Who did you use what for? We know that in this country, leaders are not working. They just sit in their comfort zone, sit in their offices and relax for the air conditions, and they will just sit back without working. But every at the end of every month they are paid, and also their allowances will also be given to them. So the country needs to be fixed. But then you Jimmy sorry na fix the booster and the call or catch on and say you now what and your man what to want it is. We all know say in the country, the country, the more thing. And your man koyi bibia say your bon kan or mining my thing. Me, I know when you come to Kenya, when you come to tech, those stuff with 10,000, 6,000, and so you know say the hostel fees are very hard to come nowadays. But faster fees they faster. Munjai Jimmy, hey, let me tell you something. What we need to fix is not the country. We need to fix our mental fortitude. Hey, NDC aba, NPP aba, NDC aba, and now NPP. You are the papa. So we the citizens, we must fix ourselves so we won't let this non-entity and primitive people come and rule over us again. Hey, you watch 2024, they will vote for NDC. They will come. Almost like they didn't see Hulu, phone 20 uh 2080 is coming, so 24, so I say 2032, MPP will come. So now, man, they won't fix it. So let's fix ours. I can't fix ourselves. And let's say be a BBU. Eh, who fix it? One go to my MPP. If you fix yourself, you won't vote for NDC because they are all the same. Tama na NDC our power. Na NDC what power. When NDC was in power, anything you tell them, they think is bad. Now that they are in a position, now that they've realized that they are Ghanaians, so they will cry with Ghanaians. Let me tell you, those who are insulting John Mahama, John Mahama this, John Mahama that, John Mahama this, John Mahama, he will never see poverty in his family. Those who are insulting Akufo-Addo, this, that, he will never and ever see poverty in his family. So if you are there and you are insulting them, you must fix yourself, fix your mind. Don't vote for this MPP NDC. Let me give you some small statistics. Right? You know that I think 6 million people voted for Akufo-Addo. I think 6,000,000 something like I've forgotten the actual figure. And yeah, people need this for the moment about we the floating voters. Floating voters now what Ghana. And then the more already happen. So we the floating voters are even more than the MPP. And this MP Aduaba Ani Equiaba Aniya. I didn't hear for Copper. And you're always saying face. Meanwhile, they are not helping us. And come back to your fixing, come fixing it 30 years ago. And to me, you answer. So come back to my fixing, come fixing it 30 years ago. NBC administration 1992, MPP ama 2001, NBC ama 2009, and then the MPP, they are normal. So if they can fix it, they could have fixed it 30 years ago. And to the Akufo-Addo, what the Amaba, what the Akuyaba no mention, Fakabana Sobra Nere. And stop fix what? Fix what? If you fix your mind, you won't vote for the NBC and the MPP. They don't think about Ghana. NDC and MPP, their party come first before Ghana. They don't think about Ghana. They are all the same. When you come to Asante region, they say that even if they use and there in Katia could have been so many MPP, Tom and Katia, NDC for instance, when you go to voter region, even if they use Ukraine, they will vote for the NDC. That's why when you come to voter region, Asante region, you won't see any development. Go and see Accra. Go and see Kwame. Massa, they will vote against you. So when you come, you will do what you are supposed to do. Go and see voter region and Asante region. No development. But they have voted for NDC since 1900. When you come to Asante region, Hey, MPP, a stronghold. Hey, Jimmy sir. Hey, we are in 2 months. Hey, already. Hey, someone about. Go to someone about. What a quam. Jimmy, what a quam to one. What a quam to one. Can't do one a cheer from so near Kum. Sorry for the ones who I was here over to your know, I know if you vote for Jimmy sir. Leaders are not working. Or what the whole moment if you are working. So, Master, fix yourself. If you fix yourself, you won't vote for MPP. If you fix yourself, you won't vote for NDC. And man, Michelle would dream say, your mummy and big political parties in the other talk about who. Sergeant instant now, Sergeant about him. You have failed. So stop face the country. Oh, it's good. Face the country. Country need the Ghana. Oh my God. Me Ghana dey here Nyankopɔn na wabɛfisi ama yi o. Ɔbɛfisi sɛ deɛ osi bu obi ase. Ɔbaa yɛ wɔkɔ ha na yɛgyae ma wei kɔfo wei mu. Wei mu. Chairman, yi w'ani ɛmfa. Ɛmfa. Wei mu. Wei mu. Ɛmfa. Yɛmfa mmara nyɛ adwuma. Policefoɔ gyina kwan so gye. I can't remember one morning around 5:30. Another 5:30. Na mekɔ adwuma. We do kwan so no na policefoɔ na sɛ policefoɔ abɛgyina kwan no so wɔn gya fire deɛ wɔn fire si deɛ wɔn agye. Enti ebu ana cars na ebi dɔɔgye. Enti baako kɔ dɔɔgye fɛɛkye enti sɛ ɔkɔ dɔɔgye no police ne baako gyina ɔno wɔn hu no. Ɛna police ne tu moto ekɔ hyia car no wɔ anim nti moto no turu ɔno ɛna odum saa ɔmo light na ya na ɛsɔ blue and red. Enti car no turu ɔno ma na ɔsɔ ɛna ɔgye. Sika fire si deɛ ɔbɛgye nti. Ɔnkɔ gyina ɔnkɔkye ne sɛ ɔbɛ inspect sɛ nneɛma nyinaa yɛ correct. 5 cedi na ɔbɛgye nti. So enti mo nyinaa face the whole matter. Relax, obi ani sɛ ɔman ne mu ayɛ den. Ɔman ne den. Emu ayɛ den. Bia nkɔ yie. Ɔtɔ ayɛ ntɔ. Ebi ayɛ den. But relax. You for relax. And lastly, what I want to talk about is, GS for Munya Jimmy now, to Jimmy. Munya Jimmy no, Mutu Jimmy no. Moi, you know, say things are not well in the educational system. Yeah, council my young Jimmy is a more Munya Jimmy no. You all know a couple of weeks ago, Teacher Kodo started a campaign about started campaign concerning education system. Massa, children are sitting under trees. Children are sitting in uncomplicated buildings. They are sitting in dilapidated They are sitting in dilapidated rooms learning. Jimmy Nipan Wakao we have someone. Jimmy Bell, student at dilapidated rooms. Momo Makwa International School. Momo Farm. Timoto na Muji. Akura te dan we musuate. Akura ete dan we musuate. ɔte hɔ nyinaa n'adwene ni adekyerɛ nkyɛn so n'adwene wɔ aboa bi ɔwɔ bi a ɛbɛ abɛka no nti n'adwene biribi de twitwi ɔmo adwene nyinaa ɛfa n'akyerɛ ɛna ne sɛ yɛde kyakwadwo ka no so ɔnyɛ biribi ama nkora no. He used his pocket money to buy uniforms. And then on your so he, even if on your shame now, he has the right to talk about it. To Muja Jimmy now to Jimmy. Mama International School. International. Right? I am on you be out. Na monkan ho se ewiase no deɛ woguo no ɛno ara na wotwa sɛ wonim nokware no na sɛ yɛka nokware no na sɛ wobɛdwen sɛ wobɛyɛ wo ho ayɛdi a Nyankopɔn yɛn nyinaa ɔhwɛ yɛn meyɛbɛsi ano nsi this fact of the issue Khalifa creative subscribe, share, like, comment section box. Start typing anything now you want to type. Mapon.